What's up, y'all? So I'm back with another video, and I told y'all, no, I didn't tell y'all I was coming back. I told the vlog I was coming back. Yummybitestv behind the scenes. All right, so I'm gonna do another style with this wig. I just made a video. Make sure y'all go and watch that video before you watch this one. But I put some wand curls in it already because it takes a long time, y'all. This is a lot of hair. Just again to let you guys know that this Superb Wigs hair company, y'all, I was so embarrassed when I was calling it Super B Wigs last video. Y'all, like, I was literally so tired when I filmed that video, so please excuse me for that. Anyway, so I'm gonna like put a little braid right here and like put a ponytail right there, and just to see what it looked like. So I didn't put any curls in the ponytail part because I'm gonna braid it, but hopefully, you know what, the part is a little off, but hopefully it looks right, y'all. And hopefully I remember how to braid, because I haven't braided in so long. So let's see. And also, y'all, a couple more things about this wig is you can definitely put it up in a ponytail because it's a 360 wig. In last video, I also gave y'all the wrong name because I actually asked for another wig and they sent me this one. So this is actually not the wig that I asked for. I asked for a full lace wig, but that's not what I was sent, so that's why I said the wrong name, because I was reading my email. But I put the correct information in the description box under that video, so y'all can refer to that, and just click the link also. It'll just take you right to the wig that I have. All right, so look at what we did. Let me pull this chair down so y'all can see. Hold up. It's pretty cute. I like the bigness of it. I might try to spread it out a little bit more. But let me put a elastic. Hold up, y'all. Let me use this. Hopefully it's cute. I'm gonna have to curl the ponytail part of the braid. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna pull and like loosen up the braid. I kind of like the messy look. Let's get some spray to spray down these flyaways. All right. Brush out the pony. All right, and then we're gonna finger out these curls a little bit. For some reason, every time I use that this curling wand here, yeah, it just, for some reason, this side, the side that I start on always comes out better than the other side. Like, y'all see that? It's really weird. Anyway, I'm about to curl this real quick. pull all of this up if I had adhered this down. But yeah, y'all will see that in future videos. Y'all will see me bleaching knots. Oh, and also another thing I wanted y'all to know about this wig, it comes pre-plucked. But y'all, I mean, you can see where they plucked it some, but yeah. If you want to wear these edges, you're gonna have to pluck this wig because it's super thick. Like the edges are thick. You see that? You see though where they tried to pluck it, thin it a little bit, but it just didn't turn out the way they wanted, I'm sure. But yes, y'all, this is one of my favorite wigs in the world. Like hands down, favorite. One of them. All right. And I noticed in the last video, it was like my hair was like parted in the middle when I turned around and showed y'all. So that's what it looks like. All right, so I think this is super cute. I think I want to put like a piece of jewelry in my hair, like one of these little dangle jewelries. One of these, like right in the front. I think that would be super duper cute. What do y'all think? Let's see if I can even get it in there. Because you have to hook it on to the hair. Wait. Yeah, because I can't see in that viewfinder, so I have to look in here. Here we go. Sorry. Okay, now I have to concentrate on, oh my gosh, it's these nails. I can't even work with them. They're so long. It's not all the way in the middle like I would want it to be. These are the only other jewelry that I have, and these is going on braids. Let's see. I'm gonna follow my little jewelry. Okay, here's one. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm just gonna leave it like this. Yeah. That's what we're gonna do. All right. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Yes, I have my shirt. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said in the last video, let me know what other kind of wigs, bundles, textures, or whatever you wanna see me try, or hairstyles. Let me know. And I think that's gonna be it, y'all. Make sure y'all comment if y'all like this style or not. I'm gonna take some Instagram pics. Y'all make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at Yummybitestv, and follow me over at Yummybitestv. And yeah, y'all, I will see you guys on another day. Peace.